Hello. In this Riverware demonstration, I want to show you the Open Object Dialog slot sorting and filtering functionality. In Riverware 6.3, the Open Object Dialog was re-implemented and improved. Two main areas were addressed to show the list of slots in a way that is more meaningful and friendly. Sorting allows you to decide what order to show the slots. Filtering allows you to hide slots that you don't want to see. Both of these can be applied to a single object or a general type of object, as we'll see. We'll demonstrate both sorting and filtering. First, let's start with sorting slots in the list. Remember, you may want to do this so that you can quickly find a slot and not have to go hunting for it. There are 5 different modes of sorting that you can see in the menu at the bottom of this dialog. First, we'll list them, and then we'll go through each one. There's custom for this object, custom for object type, column sort, sort by slot type, and then the default. The first one is to show custom for this object only. In this mode, and this mode only, the up and down arrows are enabled, and you can rearrange slots. Select one or more slots in the list, and then use the arrows to arrange them. This is automatically saved as the custom for this object order. Next is the custom for this object type. This mode shows the custom order defined for this class of objects, that is, storage reservoir, a reach, or a water user, etc. I have 2 reservoirs here, and we'll show them using the same sorting order. And you'll see that they have the same order for the slots. We'll see how to set this in a minute. The third mode is column sort. Often you may wish to see the slots alphabetically. In this mode, the column headers are enabled, and you can click on any of them to rearrange the slots by that column. If you click on a column header in any other mode, it will automatically switch to column sort mode and then sort by that column. Perhaps you wish to find all your table slots. Use the sort by slot type mode to group slots of the same type together. Here I have all my table slots, my series slots, etc. Finally, there's the default order as defined on this object. This uses the internally defined order that you see when you first create an object. So those are the 5 modes. 2 of them are custom modes. To create a custom mode, you can save any other sort order as one of the 2 custom orders. Use the menu at the bottom of the dialog, Save Displayed Order As, to do this. For example, let's create a custom order for all objects of that type. First, we're going to switch to the first order, custom for this object. We can then rearrange the slots as we wish, and then choose Save Displayed Order as Custom for Object Type. It gives us a confirmation dialog. We click Yes, and then all objects of that type will have that same sorting order, as we'll see over here. So that is the sorting functionality for the Slots tab. Now let's talk about a new concept, filtering slots. Have you ever wanted to hide slots that you are not using to make it easier to find the important slots? Use the filter mechanism described here to hide those slots you don't want to see. There are 2 controls. First, you enable and disable filtering by clicking on this checkbox. This allows you to see that some slots may be hidden and allows you to quickly toggle on and off the filters without losing your settings. The second control is through this pull-down menu over here where you actually specify which slots to hide. The first choice is to hide the selected slots. So you'll see we have the diversion slot selected up here, and now we want to hide that slot, and it disappears. The second option is to hide empty, unlinked series slots. This option allows you to hide those slots that are empty and not linked, basically those that are not in use. This makes the most sense after running a model when you have data or don't have data in those slots. We'll choose to hide all empty, unlinked series slots, and you'll see that many of the slots are now hidden. Once you have hidden some slots, the menu now shows those slots that are hidden and allows you to reshow those slots. Click the menu here to reshow the diversion slot, or you can use this option, the Clear Hidden Slot List, to show all of those slots that you have hidden, or toggle the Hide Empty Unlinked Series Slots menu to show all of those slots. Finally, there is a menu option to apply the current filter settings to objects of this same type. This allows you to standardize the display across many objects. We'll click on it, say yes to the confirmation, and now these filter settings are applied to all storage reservoirs. So that's the filtering mechanism on the new Open Object dialog. Hopefully you can make use of these sorting and filtering features to make the slot list on the objects more useful and friendly. Thank you.